So there is a lot of panic going on in the market right now. Everyone is panicking. I'm getting a lot of messages. What should we do with our shares? Should we buy more? Should we sell everything? FIIs and DIIs are selling. What is going to happen next? So I'll keep this video brief to the point. I'm shooting this video during the market hours. I will state 5 specific points that you must know. Please watch the video that I'll be releasing tonight. That is again addendum to what I'm going to talk about today. So please watch that. Also check the links in the description box. Let's talk about 5 very important points right now. First and foremost, where do we sit in terms of Nifty? So I will take you to my screen, and the markets have fallen from its top by approximately 11.5%. We have broken the first important support level, which was around 17,200, and the markets have been in free fall after that. The next big support comes at roughly 15,600 levels. It is likely that we will fall to that level. So what is the further fall that we are going to see? So roughly by another 3.5-4%. So that is the fall that we can expect from this point on, in my opinion. It might happen, it might not happen. But what I'm doing in the market right now is that at every fall, I'm aggregating and buying more stocks. So even right after this video, I'm going to go and buy more stocks, because if you don't have the stomach to digest this volatility and buy when the markets are falling, you will not make money in the stock market. Right now, there is a massive sale that is going on in the stock market. In my opinion, there are some excellent stocks that you could consider buying right now. They are available at a great discount. I will keep on making more videos around it so that I can inform you in a timely manner. But let's talk about point number 2, which is worrying everyone, that hey, FIIs, DIIs are selling. So let us go and take a look at the data, what the data says. Now here is FII, DII data, right? This is FII equity data. This simply means that FII's cash positions, what they are doing in the market as of present, that indicates this. FII derivatives means that these are the future positions that FIIs are taking. So I'm only considering FIIs because this money can flow out of India. And this is FII debt, right? So let us quickly take a look at what has been happening recently in the market. So in the last 1 week, this is the total position. Almost 7,191 crores worth of stocks have been sold in total. For the last 2 weeks, the total aggregate comes out to be 2,690 net selling that has happened by FIIs. Now, should you worry? And this is the day-wise data that on 16th December, they net purchased 2,489, 1914 crores, so on and so forth, right? So this is the day-wise data. I will just quickly scroll through it for you to see. So FIIs have been net sellers, no doubt about that. But where is this money going? This is something that you need to understand, because once FII sells, it's not as if that they will keep this money under their mattress and sit and sleep on it, right? Because money will erode with time. They will have to reinvest it at some stage. So a few scenarios can play out. Number 1, are they right now investing in the US? The answer is no. Are they investing in the bond market? The answer is no. So where is this money going? They are just literally keeping it in cash, and they will figure out what to do with it subsequently. So let me show all these data points to you as well, so as to further help you build confidence around it. So let us take a look at the US market. Right, the money is flowing out of India, but is it going to the US? Right, so let's take a very quick look. Right, so 1-day performance of S&P 500 has been negative 1.03. So money is not coming here per se. Last 5 days, money has not come in the US. 1 month, okay, still no money coming in the US. If we take 6 months and if we compare it to Nifty, again, the performance has been somewhat similar. It's not as if that FIIs are selling Indian stocks and they are purchasing US stocks. What about the bond market? Here is a very important article on the bond ETF. The bond ETF inflows slumps to lowest level since the start of pandemic. So bonds, the money is coming in the least, right? So this is something that you can read more. I will link it in the description box. You can read the entire article. So investors are turning their backs on bond exchange traded funds amid worries over inflation, with inflows slumping to their lowest level since the start of COVID-19 pandemic. Bond ETFs saw global net inflows of just 14 billion in November, according to data from BlackRock. This simply means that whatever is being sold in India, the money is not going to the US, money is not going into the bond market. What about crypto market? Is the money going there? The answer is no. At its peak, the total market cap of something like Bitcoin was in excess of $1 trillion. Right now, it's hovering around $850 billion. So even Bitcoin has been cut quite a lot in this asset price deflation that is happening. This brings us to the final section that, okay, Akshat, what is happening exactly? Can you comment a little bit? Because I look at FII, DII's news, I read newspaper, I hear news, and I get scared that, hey, you know what, okay, probably I should not be entering the stock market at this juncture. Should I be doing it? Should I not be doing it? What is precisely happening? So this is what is happening in my opinion. There is something called as overheating of economy. What in simple terms it means is that when asset price become too much or when everything is going really, really great, then the market puts on the brake. And it falls a little bit. It's a small correction. It's not a major correction. If you're seeing your portfolio in red by 10-15% also, it's completely okay. Because these are the same stocks that will give a run up going forward. It's not as if that these stocks have permanently fallen. So there is overheating of economy that has happened. It happens from time to time. So there is nothing major to worry about. That is point one. Point two, what should you be doing? Now, I can't tell you what you should be doing. I can just simply comment on what I'm doing. So I'm purchasing stocks at every fall. That is my game plan. I will continue to do that. Number three, if you're tracking FII, DII's activities, always ask yourself one central question. Okay, great. They are leaving Indian market, but where is that money going? Is it getting invested somewhere? The answer right now seems to be no. It is not getting invested either in cryptos. It is not getting invested either in bonds. It is not getting invested either in the US stocks. So what precisely is happening with this money? That is the central question to ask. This money is just being hoarded as of now and it will be redeployed at lower valuations, right? Right now the markets will come down and then FIIs will start the entry game in these different markets. They might enter the crypto market, they might enter the stock markets, they might enter the US markets. We can't comment on that. But the bottom line right now is that whatever money is flowing out of India, it is not getting invested anywhere. So please do not panic from that particular perspective. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up and check the links in the description box and also watch today's video. It's going to be super important because I'm going to help you identify important stocks that you can buy in the Indian stock markets right now.